Hello, welcome. We're going to be having something like a quiz, something like, what I put it, a competition where all the people that are preparing for JAMB, you can will ask questions. If you're the first to get the correct answer, we'll give you a recharge card, MTN, Airtel, Glo, and all those cards. You understand? So you have a reward for every answer that you get correctly. So we're going to be running it. We are starting this January to run it. It's strictly for not actually anybody. If you're preparing for JAMP, GC, or the rest of them, you understand. You see similar questions to what you are going to be seeing in the halls when you start the exam. So we're going to be giving these exams. These are questions, and once you people finish answering, we'll give the correct answer and we'll explain how the answers are got. So it's going to be very, very helpful. You're learning, and at the same time, you're getting reward for the knowledge that you have. So for you to be able to participate, you need to have a Gmail, Google account, Gmail, you understand, so that you can easily fix your answer. You will send a video on our YouTube channel. When you see the video with the question, you answer by dropping a comment below the video. You understand? So the answers are given from you to us by dropping a comment. You put it in form of a comment. So we'll be looking at the comments depending on the times they come in. So the first person to get the correct answer will send the recharge card to the person. As you're dropping the comment that has the answer, also put your Gmail account so that we can send the recharge card to that very account. So that's how we're gonna be doing it, and we enjoy it. We are going to expand it into a more user-friendly format, but for now, that's how we're starting. So if you want to get to our